Hold on a second.
You're not going anywhere.
Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we have a good one, guys. Today we're examining a body cam video from Berea, Ohio, capturing an eviction that escalates into an arrest. Civil disputes can quickly turn criminal when emotions run high and legal boundaries are crossed. Let's analyze this incident, understand the legal principles involved, and discuss the evidentiary standards that guide law enforcement actions. Stay tuned for insights that could change your whole perspective on the law. So here's the footage of the eviction incident. Observe the interactions closely as the whole situation unfolds.
Okay.
Yeah.
Were you painting?
Oh yeah, I'm painting my friend's house that I'm living at.
Okay.
In exchange for living there.
Oh, perfect.
I know.
Perfect. How have you been? I haven't seen you in a while.
She's getting a frickin' job at half.
Yeah?
Heavy smoker.
Okay.
A heavy smoker.
How are you doing?
Oh, really good.
I haven't seen you in a while.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
I came for help a couple times up there at the station like they had told me to do, and they wouldn't come.
I'm
They
sorry.
won't come. That's all right. I take get matters into my own hands, and there's been a lot going on here in the past 15 years.
Okay.
And they found out all about it.
Yeah.
And they found out how she gets away with it.
Do you mind sitting in my car with me to talk to me real
No,
quick?
that's
The wind's really crazy right now.
No thanks. I don't trust you guys.
You don't trust me, of everybody.
I don't trust anyone.
I don't think I've ever not, been kind to you or done anything.
You'll take off with me. So.
No. Honestly, I was just trying to get out of the wind and stuff to talk to you, and I didn't want to go inside the house because it seems like...
You can handle the wind.
Okay.
The doors were unlocked, so...
The doors of what were unlocked?
The house. He refuses to bring my things, so...
Okay. So did you go inside the house? I don't know what's going on.
This car here, look.
Hey, Berea officer. Close to station. We have a party. You want to drop off something?
Well, come on. See, this is all the outside stuff. From the
radio.
Okay, did you take anything from inside the house?
This is all, you can look. It's all from the patio.
Okay.
A lot of stuff here.
Are you supposed to be here? I'm coming in on the last end of it.
The police won't help me anymore.
Okay.
I've tried 3 times. I tried last...
like getting an escort to come here to get your stuff?
Yeah, and they won't help me.
Okay.
So, she just turned her back on me, I think it was Friday.
Who did?
The black woman that was here that morning with you guys that I called you for him getting out of hand.
I don't remember a black woman. I just remember
she was here.
Your roommate.
She was here
I
temporarily.
don't think we have anybody that works there. The guy that you were living with, that's the only person that I knew of.
Oh, no. I mean police people.
There's no...
Yeah.
Oh, you're talking about another officer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no. Tall.
Okay.
She's really tall.
I thought you talked about a neighbor or somebody you lived with.
So
okay,
I took
yes,
all my
I remember
stuff
her.
to Broadview Heights Police.
Okay.
And then they sent me to Parma Heights. And then I
Why
came
did they send
to
you to Parma?
Berea. Well, because he used my identity to transfer some money. And then he used my identity to pay the gas bill and the electric bill.
Okay.
So there's a lot of things under dispute.
Okay.
I wish this would just go down.
She's saying that the doors weren't locked and that she took stuff from the patio.
This is just patio stuff. I haven't been in the house.
Yeah, they said you were in the house, but the whole point is you're evicted. You've been evicted.
Listen, Officer
Quinn.
I've tried 3 times to get you guys to come down here with me because that's what you told me you would do. You said, we're not going to watch you pack, but once you get packed, we will come and help you get your stuff out. That was 3 months ago. And nobody will come with me.
All you got to do is call us.
3 times. No, I went there 3 times to your office.
It's got to be set up with them in advance.
They
You just
wouldn't
can't walk in the house.
come. I didn't walk in the house. They
You
wouldn't
keep coming back there.
I haven't. In 3 months. He refuses to bring me my shit. It's still in there.
He doesn't have to bring you anything.
Get out of my way, you bitch.
Hold on a second.
You're not going anywhere.
All right.
Doug, I swear to God.
Swear to God, what?
Don't do it. Don't fucking do it, you guys. I was, ow, no, I was just in a hospital for 30 days. You can't do this. You guys can't do this. I was in
my body cams?
I was, oh my God.
All right, come on.
You guys, I was just in the hospital for 30 fucking days.
All right, come on, stand up. Help us stand you up.
No.
Are you going to put her in my cruiser?
No. Get my purse.
Come on.
It's in the car. What are you guys doing? Fuck me.
All right, let me double lock these real quick.
Oh my God, my face.
Okay, hold on. Let's readjust these so you're not hurt, okay?
703, Michelle's back on the phone. Can I put her back over?
How's that one? Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it too tight?
My knee, my face.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay. All right, let's just cool off inside the car, okay?
I'm bringing
All right, let's just relax. All right. Nice and easy.
He wasn't bringing me
All
my...
right, come on, get your leg in here. I'm gonna get the AC going for you, and we're gonna relax in here, okay?
Me. Fuck.
Good.
Can we have the medic check her out? Okay, I didn't know what they were running for.
Is that necessary?
What? I don't know. What's it?
Evictions are primarily civil matters, but they can escalate into criminal cases under specific circumstances. Let's break down the eviction process and the criminal laws that became relevant in this incident. Number 1, Ohio eviction process. The civil nature of evictions. In Ohio, landlords must follow a legal process to remove tenants, starting with notices such as a 3-day notice to quit for non-payment or lease violations. For month-to-month tenancies, a 30-day notice is required. Only after these steps can landlords file a forcible entry and detainer action in court orders, and enforcement. Once a landlord obtains a judgment for possession, a writ of restitution is issued. This writ authorizes law enforcement, typically a sheriff or a sheriff deputy, to remove the tenant. Landlords can't legally change locks or remove belongings without this court order, as such actions can be considered self-help evictions, and those are illegal. Number 2, the intersection with criminal law, criminal trespass. Ohio Revised Code 2911.21. Trespassing occurs when someone knowingly enters or remains on another's property without privilege or consent. In this case, the individual claims they were retrieving belongings, but allegations of unauthorized entry suggest potential trespass. Criminal trespass in Ohio is generally a 4th-degree misdemeanor, punishable up to 30 days in jail and a fine of up to $250. Obstructing official business. Ohio Revised Code 2921.31. Obstruction happens when someone purposely acts to hinder law enforcement in their duties. The individual in this case argued with officers about prior assistance requests, potentially delaying the resolution. This is a 2nd-degree misdemeanor, carrying up to 90 days in jail and a fine of up to $750. Resisting arrest. Ohio Revised Code 2921.33. Resisting arrest involves forcefully or recklessly interfering with an officer attempting a lawful arrest. If an individual's resistance causes harm to an officer, the offense can escalate to a 1st-degree misdemeanor or even a felony if a deadly weapon is involved. Number 3, role of law enforcement in evictions. Civil versus criminal enforcement. Police officers in Ohio are not responsible for enforcing civil eviction orders directly, but may assist in maintaining public order during disputes. In this case, the officers were responding to a complaint and addressing criminal behaviors like alleged trespassing and obstruction, responding to tenant complaints. The individual in the video claimed they had sought police assistance earlier to retrieve belongings. While officers can sometimes provide a civil standby to keep the peace during property disputes, their role in these situations is very limited. In this incident, we see how a civil eviction can turn criminal when emotions run high and the law is not followed. Understanding both the civil eviction process and the criminal consequences of unlawful actions is crucial for landlords, tenants, and law enforcement alike. Now, let's explore the evidentiary standards that guide law enforcement and the courts in situations like this. Number 1, mere suspicion. Mere suspicion is a hunch or an unsubstantiated belief without concrete evidence. Officers might notice someone near a property but lack specific facts indicating illegal activity. Number 2, reasonable suspicion. Reasonable suspicion is specific, articulable facts that suggest a person is involved in criminal activity. Neighbors may report seeing someone enter a property without permission, providing officers with enough basis to investigate further. Number 3, probable cause. Probable cause is a reasonable belief based on facts that a person has committed a crime. Officers find evidence such as broken locks or witness statements indicating unauthorized entry, justifying an arrest for trespassing. Number 4, preponderance of the evidence. Preponderance of the evidence is more likely than not the standard used in civil cases. In eviction proceedings, the landlord must prove it's more likely than not that the tenant violated lease terms. Number 5, clear and convincing evidence. Clear and convincing evidence is a high probability that a claim is true. This is also used in certain civil cases. Remember, this is required in cases involving fraud, where more substantial proof is necessary to establish a fact. Number 6, beyond a reasonable doubt. Beyond a reasonable doubt is the highest standard of proof, requiring near certainty. This is used in criminal cases. To convict someone of trespassing or obstruction, the prosecution must prove the defendant's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Each of these standards plays a crucial role in the justice system, ensuring that decisions are made based on the appropriate level of certainty required for each type of case. This case highlights civil disputes like evictions and how they can escalate into criminal matters when legal processes aren't followed, and also if emotions take over. It's essential for all parties to understand their rights and responsibilities to prevent such situations. Thank you for joining me today on Advocacy Alchemy. If you found this analysis insightful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us continue to explore the intersection of law and real life. Until tomorrow, I'm Professor Ross, and this is Advocacy Alchemy. You have a good day.